Hi everyone. Let's go ahead and get started with the private health and fitness supplements RAG system. Instead of getting your answers from some random internet sources, today we are going to see here how you can build your own fitness RAG system in less than 10 minutes. We will be using here research paper which is coming from the trusted sources. All these research papers are related to the health supplements and the fitness supplements. Then we will be using here our RAGWire framework. With the help of RAGWire framework, you can build your own RAG in less than 10 minute system. Basically, the RAGWire, what it is doing here, RAGWire is breaking all this complex system into a very simple process. So what is that simple process? The simple process which you can see here. In the RAGWire, what happened here, you just need to provide your document, then all the complex process which happens generally inside a RAG system is being done by our RAGWire itself. All these things are done by the RAGWire. The final result which you are going to get here, that is going to look like something this, where you have a simple query. Thereafter, you are going to get all the answers, and these answers are also going to be the cited with your sources here. So these are the research paper which we provided during our data ingestion. Our data was ingested into the vector database, that was the Qdrant vector database. We have provided here a metadata filtering as well, so that accurate RAG system can be implemented here. A production grade RAG system can be implemented here without any kind of the hallucination. So here is the RAGWire documentation. You can come here and you can get started with the RAGWire. Follow along with this particular video. In less than 10 minutes, you are going to see here how you can get started with the RAGWire. It is going to be the super simple and super easy. Let's go ahead and get started with this. First of all, we need to make sure here we set our environment variable so that we can track our project in the Langsmith. So we are going to load our environment variable. Our project will be tracked here at the Langsmith. This is where we are going to get all the tracking. Thereafter, we again come back here, and then we are going to import our RAGWire, and we are going to do our logging setup here. Thereafter, we are going to set here the log level as a info. Once log level is set here as a info, we will be able to see our log file here. Thereafter, we will be also able to see our log in the Jupyter Notebook as well. We print our RAGWire version here. Thereafter, we are going to load here RAGWire config file. So preparing this config file is really very important. In our previous videos, we have seen how you can analyze financial data. But this time we are analyzing here health and fitness supplements data. Basically, it is kind of building your own private health and supplements RAG system. So here I have provided a lot of research paper related to health and supplements. As you can see, all these are actually trusted research paper. Apart from that, we also need to make sure here that we set our config file correctly. So as you scroll it here, so you are going to see here the embeddings. I have defined here the Ollama embeddings, and the LLMs are also the Ollama LLMs. Quinn 3.5, 9 billion parameter. That's the latest LLM model. Thereafter, you have here the URL. This is where our vector store is currently hosted. This is our Qdrant vector DB. And then we are going to use here sparse embeddings along with the dense embedding. That means we are going to use here the hybrid search. And then it is going to recreate our vector store. And the retriever is going to enable our hybrid search. Apart from that, this is really very important. Previously, we have seen here how you can implement your finance RAG. For finance RAG, we had already inbuilt finance YAML file or finance schema inside the RAGWire framework itself, but here we are going to define our health metadata separately. So this is the beauty of our RAGWire framework, which provide you all the customization. That means you can define your metadata extraction prompt here. Thereafter, you can define all the fields here. Then you can attach this metadata with the config file here. Once you have done that, thereafter, you can just simply load your config file, and thereafter, you can just simply run this. Let's go ahead and run this. So it is going to ingest all the data inside the inside the vector store. So here is the vector store name. It is going to be the health supplements paper. All right. So it is going to ingest everything there. All right, now you can see here everything is ingested here, and we can check that with our console at the quadrant. There we have health, supplements, papers, and you can see here all the files which is ingested here. And here is our metadata. Like we have a title, we have author name is also, which is coming from the research papers, thereafter the publication years. Then we have our research focus as well here. So for this particular paper, these are the research area where focus have been made, particularly like these one. All right, so you have here focus area this for this particular research paper, and you have a focus area this for this particular research paper. Basically, we have ingested all these research paper in our vector DB. Now it is time to implement our final part here. But before that, let's go ahead and see what is going to be the stats. So you have here stats, which we had stored inside the stats variable. Let's go ahead and clear the output so that we can have here a clear output. All right. So we have our clear output, like you have a total 11 documents, and the total chunk which is ingested there, that is the 75 chunks. All right. Let's go ahead and see if our retriever is working correctly here. So you can say it like this one, rag dot retriever. Thereafter, you can pass your query. You can select the top k elements. Thereafter, you can pass the filters if you want here. Let's go ahead and set here the query. So query I'm going to set here related to, let's say, the creatine. All right, so this is just a simple query. So we should be getting here the output which is related to the creatine. As you can see here, the output which is coming from the muscle synthesis, creatine supplements, protein muscle, supplement health data, and the creatine supplement. Basically, all the data which we are getting here, those are coming which is related to creatine. Similarly, if I change it here to the caffeine, we should be able to get here the output with the different kind of the files. Like we are getting here muscle synthesis data. Basically seems like this particular research paper is going to have a lot of data regarding to the caffeine as well. If we search here the protein, we should be able to get the data related to protein here. As you can see here, all these data, basically the research paper which is covering the protein, and you can see the details here. All these details have here the protein related detail. That means our retrieval system is working here correctly, and it is really very accurate. Now it is time to implement our agent. For that, what you have to do, you need to come here at the RAGWire site. All right, so this is the RAGWire documentation. In the RAGWire documentation, click on getting started. Thereafter, you have here RAG agent. Click on the RAG agent. Thereafter, scroll it down here. So this is the tool implementation. Basically, you are going to have here get filter context. So this is going to be used to create the filter so that we can get the correct context for our agent, and this is going to be used for our retrieval process. Let's go ahead and scroll it down. We are going to get here the create agent. Keep scrolling, keep scrolling. Once you finish this, then you are going to get here full working example. In full working example, we are going to copy this whole code from here. Let's go ahead and copy this whole code from here. Thereafter, you need to just simply come here. I'm just gonna say here full working agent code. All right. Thereafter, I put it here. Let's go ahead and delete this one that is not needed. Apart from that, this pipeline setup have been already done. So I'm just going to delete that. All right. Thereafter, logger I'm going to keep here as info so that we can see here what is happening behind the scene. Then this one is going to be as it is. Thereafter, you have here search document. In the search document, you are going to have here a query and the filter. So this filter is going to come from your agent. Thereafter, you scroll it down. You have your Qwen 3.59 billion model. That's the Ollama hosted model. All right, that is perfectly fine. And here you have your you are helpful financial document assistant. Instead of that, we need to provide here you are helpful health and fitness assistant. All right. Thereafter, for complex question, break them down into the sub questions. All right. Then it is going to say here, search the document. All right. Get the filter context and so on, basically, before answering the question. Thereafter, you have here your thread configuration. Let's go ahead and cut this and run this one. Once that is executed, paste this code here. Thereafter, your chat mode is enabled here. Let's go ahead and run this and ask here simple question. So it has started here. I'm going to ask here a simple question like, what is the benefit of protein, let's say, in gym. All right, so what it is going to do here, it is going to first implement a filter, then it will pass that filter, basically the metadata filter, and thereafter it is going to retrieve the document. So it says here it has retrieved the 5 documents from the query: protein benefits, gym fitness, workout, muscle recovery, etc. Basically this query have been reformulated what I had asked initially. Then overall final result is being generated. Once final result is generated, that will be printed here. We should be able to see that. As you can see here, the result is printed here. We can clearly see muscle repair and recovery. That's the benefit of the protein, enhance muscular strength, and so on. And then finally, we can see here the sources as well. Basically, citation is also coming. That means this answer is not coming from a random internet source. What we have done here, we have provided here the source of the data related to the health fitness, and all the answer which we are going to get here, everything is going to come from this particular health data. Now it is up to you, whatever the question you can ask here. All right, so you can ask any the question whatever you want. You can bring your own health fitness data, you can put it here. Thereafter you can just simply run your pipeline. All the data will get ingested into the vector database. And the good point here that we are using here the RAGWire, that means overall RAG setup and RAG workflow have been simplified here. All right, so this is all about in this lesson. I'll see you in next one. And also, if you have any doubt, you can ask that in the comment box. And if you want me to make any video on a particular topic, please let me know in the comment box. I would try to make that video. And please don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Bye bye, take care.